Hi, in this video, I'll show you how you can connect your Medit intraoral scanner directly to SmileFy app. So you're gonna start clicking on those three bars on the top left of your screen. And then after you're gonna select new patient. You're gonna have on top patient digitalization with the purple icon. Click on that, and then you're gonna access this space we have to add all the patient's picture, video, additional files, and intraoral scanners. You're gonna select the plus sign in the center of intraoral scan maxilla, for example, and this box will pop up. After you do that, you're gonna click on Medit link, and then you're gonna have access to the page that will connect your Medit account to the SmileFy app. You will need the email address, and also your password. Once you hit on that, the app will ask you to allow. You allow, and that's it. The connection is done, and you're gonna have access straight to your cases, to all cases you have, all patients. You just need to hit the one that you wanna work on, and then start your patient documentation.